There are a few things to think about before we get going. The first is that we're going to hold on with what we call an easy grip or even a loose grip to the handles. There's really no benefit to squeezing or holding tightly, so conserve energy and just hold on with an easy grip. But hands do go all the way around the handles. We're going to be walking with straight arms. So the thumbs come down here beside the body, and we're actually going to be swinging our arms like long pendulums from the shoulder. Something else to think about is your boot tips. So the boot tips that are way down here at the base of your poles, they're going to be back behind us the entire time. So if you just swing like this right now and you look down, you should not see your boot tips. They should be well back behind your feet. One last thing to think about before we get moving is posture. So take your belly button, lift it up and in so you're standing really tall, and relax the shoulders down. And now we're ready to get moving. Our first step, we're just going to put the poles aside for a minute, and we're just going to take a walk and just notice what happens to the arms and legs when we walk naturally. So here I see my right foot goes forward and my left arm comes forward. And that's what we want to do when we're urban poling, opposite arm and opposite leg. Let's, for our next step, just do exactly what we did without poles, but just drag our poles behind us and just pretend they're not there. So opposite arm and leg, just a nice easy walk. Here's our next step. We just continue on with that easy walk, but we step a little longer and we swing a little higher. We swing up to what we call a handshake position. Remember, we still want that tall posture and those long arms. So we go from this easy walk position to a longer step and a higher swing. For our last step, we're going to press down on the ledge of the handles, and we're going to press our thumbs down to the sides of our thighs. Remember, we're still standing tall, we still are swinging our arms like long pendulums, and now we're just going to press on the ledge and press our thumbs right down to the side seams of your pants. So it's going to look like this.